Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased saristore.in reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Sari Store offers wide range of traditional silk saris with attached blouse in many different colors. And guys, the most attractive part here is the prices of these pure silk saris, which seems too good to be true. So further in this video, let's check the authenticity of this website. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's check the content quality. So here we can see that 56% of the content over the website is taken from other websites, which again is a negative highlight. Now let's proceed to check the customer reviews. Because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So here on the official website, you will see that there are many positive feedback from the customers where they have stated that the quality of the sarees is perfect. But we can't completely trust on these reviews, and that's why we have to confirm from other sources also. So let's check on the internet. Guys, I could not find even a single customer review over the reliable sites on the internet. So we can assume that the reviews given on the official website are not real. Therefore guys, it's a red flag. Therefore guys, now let's check the way to contact their customer service. So here we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is saristore.info@gmail.com. Apart from this, here you will see that social media links are available for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. But when you click on the Facebook link, then you will be redirected to an Instagram account. So basically, all these three links redirect a customer on Instagram account of Sari Store. So closer look at saristore.in reveals many negative highlights such as absurd return refund policy, misleading social media links, incomplete contact details, no cancellation policy, copied content, duplicate images of the products, lack of customer remarks and low score on Trustpilot make us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a very high risk of receiving low quality sarees. So guys, it was all about the unbiased saristore.in reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys. Stay safe, stay informed.